Here's how to access your classes. Either click on this AHS Virtual Learning Hub button, or at the top right, find the subject you're looking for, and then the course. Find the teacher that you have on your schedule and what period you have them. Click on that link. This will lead you to their Google Classroom. If you have not joined their class yet, click Join Class, and you'll be in their Google Classroom. To join class, you'll click on this Meet link. As you enter, make sure you turn off your camera and microphone and press Join Now.